Morning, ladies and gentlemen. We've got a quick one for you today. Look, I'll open up like an auctioneer, lad. 20,
125. Do I hear 130? 130,000 for this authentic Comanche headdress. I got 130. I got 130.
I don't even know what they're saying anyway. Look, I'm going to get into the video today. What have we got? We've got a set of side steps that are going on this MV Triton. Very, very popular at the moment, these side steps. Why? Because the dealer wants to screw you. Uncle Chris is never going to screw you. And on top of that, he's going to teach you how to put them on yourself so you don't have to pay us to get it fitted, even though we're more than happy for you guys to pay us to get it fitted. Have a look at this video. Very, very straightforward. Other than that, let's get into it.
Just don't know. Just don't know.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, all done and dusted. Hopefully you enjoyed the fitting process. Like I mentioned, very, very straightforward to get these steps on to the MV Triton. I'm going to go here. I'm going to do a demonstration I've been eating a lot of KFC as of late, so I can assure you that I'm weighing very, very much. So that's a real test of the strength of these steps. They fit into the factory position, making it very, very straightforward to fit. So once again, if you want to grab one, we've got these side steps available for basically all the makes and models of dual cab utes out there today, and for the extra cab and the single cab in some cases as well. So if you want to grab one for yourself, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We've got a lot more of these fitting videos in the pipeline. Those are my catchphrases now that I've said them. I'll see you guys on the next video.